Welcome back to the channel FAB FAM. My name is Falon, creator and founder of FalonFabrini. We are a vegan cosmetic line for adults and minis inspired by my own relationship with my little mini, Alicia. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, I hope that you enjoy the content and you stay. We do entrepreneurship, behind the scenes, how-tos, you name it. So if you're into that type of video, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a weekly episode. As you've seen by the title, in today's video, we are going to formulate a glitter gloss. For the kids line, this gloss is called Princess Glitz. For adults, it is called Fab Dust. You can shop this gloss in the link below. Throwing it back to the very first time I made this gloss, this was in preparation for our huge product shoot. If you haven't seen that video, I will gladly link that right here in the eye. So after you watch this one, you can hop over there and see the journey to rebrand. All right, boss babe, let's get to work. First thing you'll need is your lip gloss base. You cannot make lip gloss without base. My base comes from TKB Trading. I am open to trying others. I just so happen to start off my business that way. Here I'm adding my oils. When you add oil to the base, you're trying to create a consistency that you like. I have a formula with measurements and consistency that I prefer for my business. There's no right or wrong to this. It's really what you like. So if you're following along for fun, I wouldn't say you really need a formula. If you're following along for your business, especially when you're just starting out, I would recommend having a formula with specific measurements so that you can try to get it the same way each time for production. The more you formulate your glosses, you can also begin to eyeball this, but everything takes time. Making lip gloss is a lot of mixing. You mix for consistency, you mix when you add oils, you mix when you add flavor, you just mix. You'll notice as I'm mixing how the consistency changes. Every time I add an oil, a flavor, the glitter, you'll see. And that's why I left a lot of the mixing content within this video so that you can see how the base goes from original to what we end up with. So enjoy my little tips, and also I'll be playing some music so you can enjoy the aesthetic and I don't bore you. Enjoy. When it comes to adding glitter, key tip is add a little as you go. So you want to add a little bit, mix it, and then keep adding to your liking. This was my first time making a glitter gloss, so I did use my measuring spoons. Now I use a toothpick, and I find that works even better than this. Here I'm just adding some more sparkle glitter in. I liked the way it looked, but after I mixed it, I realized that I wanted it to be more sparkly, more glittery. So now that I love my consistency, I'm going to add in our flavor oil. My flavor oil for this gloss happens to be strawberry. It is a fresh strawberry scent, not overpowering or overwhelming, and safe for lips. Depending on the quantity of lip gloss that you are mixing will determine how many drops of flavor oil that you should put in. I put about 5 to 6 drops of flavor oil because my quantity was small, and then I test it out and add as needed. Our flavor oils are oil-based, which means it can potentially change the consistency of your gloss. So you want to continue mixing and then continue to check your consistency. And not to worry, there's no right or wrong to this. If it has changed your consistency and it's now thinner than you would like, you would just add more Versagel. If it is thicker than you would like, you would add more of your oils. I ended up adding 1 more of my oils to it, and then I continue to mix until I get the consistency that I like. You will hear me say that a lot because mixing lip gloss is a lot of mixing and a lot of trying to find the consistency that you like. Oh, so glittery and so beautiful. So now that we've reached the perfect consistency, we're going to fill up our gloss by using the pipette and syringe method. I cut the pipette at the top and the bottom, and then I grab my syringe and you'll see me filling it here. So there's no right or wrong way. Some people like to scoop up the gloss, put it in at the top. I found this way to be a lot easier. Don't forget to wipe off your syringe. If you have gloss on the syringe, the pipette will not fit securely. I can't explain this enough. It's something that you'll just have to experience and learn trial and error. But if you can learn from me before that even happens, just remember to wipe it dry. I like to sanitize, even though these are already washed and sanitized as I go. I like to wipe them down. They can actually be pretty sticky once you're done filling up. And proper practices would be to also then put these in a bath. They call it a lip gloss bath. If you'd like to see that process from me, please leave that in the comments. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out with your own glitter gloss making and filling lip gloss tube process. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you like this content, entrepreneurship videos, please like, comment, share this video with a friend, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a weekly episode. Shop with us today at FalonFabrini.com. You can shop for adults or minis from our Alicia Sky collection. We appreciate each and every order. Your support is unmatched. We love you, Fab Babes. Check our description to stay connected with us on our social media platforms, and you'll also find a discount code for when you shop our website. See you on the next episode.